Hi class, let's take a look at problem I. And in this particular problem, they want us to basically compare the two prices and then determine which one is the better buy. We're assuming that we're looking at it in the terms of the perspective of the consumer. So we're looking for the cheaper ratio. Now, let's actually evaluate the unit ratio. And for the first one, we technically have a price of $4.99 for a bag that had a total weight of 20.5 ounces. And in this case, to obtain it, we're going to be dividing by 20.5. Whoops. And dividing by 20.5. So let me punch it into the calculator. So we're looking at 4.99 and we're dividing by 20.5. That gives us a 0.24. I'm going to round to 2 decimal places. So this is going to be approximately, so I'll just rewrite it as approximately, and that was 0.24 per technically 1 ounce. Remember that the unit ratio, you have to have a 1 at the bottom. Now for the second one, we're looking at a price of 4.29 divided by 12.5 ounces. And then on this particular one, we're going to be dividing by 12.5. And that's what's going to give us the actual one at the bottom. So 4.29 divided by 12.5. And this gives us 0.34. So approximately 0.34 per 1 ounce. And let me check the divisions. So 0.24, 0.34. 24.34. So definitely this is the better buy. And let me just rewrite it as a sentence. The better buy is technically bag A of, well, 4.99 for 20.5 ounces of the Cheetos. That's pretty much it. You do have to show the work on all of these. So we're expecting that you would be calculating the unit rate, show at least a division, which gives us the 0.24. Then for the second one, the 0.34. And as you compared, well, both of these in terms of the consumer, it is cheaper to purchase this one, so they won't be spending much money. If you were the company, then you want them to buy this one so that you make more profit. In this case, they don't mention any of that. Who's basically if it's the consumer or the company who's selling it. So we're assuming from the consumer perspective. That's actually it for this problem.